Hello customer, today I would like to show you our replacement remote control. The first button for pupil lamp button garage door opener. The second button and the third button for yellow lamp button garage door opener. Now I will show you the first button. Work with the pupil opener. Press the lamp button once. When the LED light on, press our remote control button once, and you will hear a clink. It means the code has been learned successfully. As you can see, it can working together. Okay, now I will show you the second and the third button for yellow lamp button garage door opener. The same, press the lamp button once. The LED light on, press our replacement remote control button. And you will hear a clink. It means the code has been learned successfully. Okay, the same for 3 button. When you hear a clink, release the button. It can working together. Okay, if you want to change the lamp button's color, if you need the second button and the third button for pupil lamp button garage door opener, you can change it. How to change it? Let me show you. Press the second and third button at the same time. LED will flash. When the LED keep on, release it. Then press the button you want to change, such as the second button for yellow lamp button for once, or for pupil lamp button, press it twice. Okay, now press another button for quiet. Okay, now the second button is for pupil lamp button garage door opener. Let me show you. As you can see, the code has been changed successfully. Also for the third button, let me show you again. Press second and third button at the same time until the LED keep on. Release the button and press the third button twice. Once, twice. And then press another button to quit. Now the third button also for pupil lamp button. As you can see, now all three buttons is for pupil lamp button opener. Okay, if you want it work with the yellow lamp button, now it cannot working for yellow lamp button. 我先把它切嘛。Okay, now I need to delete the pupil lamp button firstly. Until the LED off, release it. Now the code has been deleted successfully. And now I want this remote work with the yellow lamp button. the same. Press the second and third button at the same time. Now release. Press the first button once, and then press another button to quit. Now the first button is for yellow run button. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, it can working together. So it is press the button that you would like to program once for yellow run button. Press twice for pupil run button. Okay, thank you.